Welcome everybody to the unboxing of Radioddity's QB25. Just to save time, I already opened the cardboard, especially since I'm holding the camera with one hand. This is how it came. I ordered on Amazon. Okay. And as you can see, they packaged it well. I didn't slide around at all inside of the box. Take that one. I'll take out the box within the box. There. Okay. And here we go. Packing material, keeping this from sliding around. Now the one that I purchased was $114. That includes the radio and the accessories that come with that, which I'll show you. It also comes with an antenna, mobile antenna, which you can also use indoors. You're probably aware of that since you know enough about this type of product to know how this works. This is the Diamond 7900D. Two pieces. I'll put those together with my SWR meter. We use this included Allen wrench to adjust the length to get the lowest ratio. So anyway, oh, and also with this antenna, you'll need an antenna mount that will fit for SO239. That I purchased separately, which is right there. For those of you who don't know what that looks like, pull this out for you. Hold on. Okay, so this is a magnet mount you put on your car. See that? The connector for that will just screw on there. Now, of course, you can use this in your house. You can, as long as you put this on a metal base, like for instance this stand here, or a pie tin or something like that, that will provide you the necessary grounding to use this antenna indoors or in your attic. That's just FYI. Again, this is a separate product. I bought that on Amazon too. This is made by Comet. Okay, so here's what you get. Let's see here. There's the user manual. Self-explanatory. Okay. And here is the radio. Comes well protected in heavy plastic. There you have Radioddity's name, QB25. And this is a good size. Now it has a little weight to it, which is some good things. It tells me they've made this with some heavier materials. This is aluminum or some sort of a metal. It's not plastic, which is good. It's plastic on this side, but the heat sink is metal. It doesn't feel cheap. There is a fan on the back, and that's a good thing too, as that will cool it off as you transmit. And of course there's the SO239 connector, which when you get your antenna mount will just connect to that as well. All right, it's pretty self-explanatory, and that comes with a mounting bracket which you can put over the top. You can also mount it on a base for your house, or a piece of wood if you will, and just connect it that way. I've had luck with both. As long as there's air underneath it and the heat can circulate around the unit, that never seems to be a problem if you're operating a mobile as a base station. Okay. Here is your DC 12-volt battery power adapter. And here is the mic. And just like the name brand, big name brands, the Asu, Kenwood, Alinco, This is what you will use if you're programming, inputting frequencies, and controlling it manually. I like to input frequency lists with software, which I'll show you what comes with this. It's easier. And then just operate the radio with these controls after you get it programmed. Okay. See how this looks. I'm going to set you down for just a second so I can take this out. Okay. All right, back again. All right, here we go. Pretty positive click there. It's got a tight spring. That's good. The keys got a positive pop to them. Just test them all. Yeah, there's nothing that's stuck halfway in. They're all positive. This feels secure, and you get a pretty good length of wire. Let's see what else we have. There is a mic mounting piece. You can connect this inside of your car or in your shack somewhere, so you could have a place to hang the mic. And there's also other screws in there for use to mounting it to the bracket. Underneath, here is the programming cable, which you will connect to your PC. And there's the CD, which will load the programming software. I've had either good luck with these included CDs or bad luck, depending on my computer and depending on how they've put this together. Typically, though, I will just download the software off of a site of a manufacturer. In this case, Radioddity.com. You can download all the supporting software you need to program this radio. I'm going to go ahead and give you one more look at this as I pan across my coffee table. And then I will program this and video edit that to this video, but this is just the unboxing portion. All right, talk to you soon.